Hi friends, welcome to Radhakrishna Facts channel. For related videos, please subscribe this channel. In this video, you will know about what process will be there after onboarding in Cognizant. After onboarding pass is generated in one Cognizant portal, you will see your day 1 is completed like. But it will be highlighted also in green color. But actually day 1 starts for you onboarding day onwards. To know which questions will be asked in onboarding, please see the previous video. On evening of onboarding day, you will be assigned a employee ID message, and you can also see in your personal mail. And this mail come between 3 to 7 p.m. in between. Then next day morning, you will receive the detailed steps on your personal email. You need to access and reset the Microsoft Office account password, and this can be done on your personal laptop. After this email, then onwards, you will not get any related information about Cognizant for your personal email. In before email, you will assign like employee ID at the rate of cognizant.com. By this, you have to log in into Outlook application on that day onwards. Every communication from company you will be received to Outlook mail only. On the day 2, one also receives any email with a meeting link to attend an induction meeting. During the induction meeting, HR takes the candidates through all the process, guidelines, and other company details such as leaves, policies, benefits, compensations, etc. And internal questions means candidates can also they ask the questions for the HR in the meeting. You might not have access to all the portals but are expected to provide necessary details on portal. Once you got access to Outlook, candidates can see auto assessment creation mail. In that location details will be. After 1-2 days you will get email for stepless assessment like you have been registered for stepless, and this test is 52 minutes consisting that access our reading, listening, grammar and speaking skills, and you should need a headset for this set. On next, candidate will get links for to complete code for ethics and global policies and respecting women in workplaces courses for the candidate. After, you will receive for Coach Connect mail. In that they explain about our cohort code and our domain. Next day onwards, candidate will be assigned behavioral training links, and this consists 2 hours from Monday to Friday every week. And next 2-3 days, candidate will get mail for accessing of Udemy account, and candidate also get email for learning courses based on candidate domain. And within a week in Udemy, candidate will again get for Coach Connect mail to explain about next training, which is technical training, and this technical training timings is morning 9 to 7, night from Monday to Friday every week, like BH training only. And after, you will get a handbook in the technical training schedule. In day wise schedule will be in handbook for the candidates based on their domain. And next process in the training to know, please see the next video in the playlist. It will be for Cognizant related videos. Please subscribe this channel.